Yeah, baby. You gonna move?
No, no, no!
Stovepipe location. Are you excited to drive this bad boy?
Excited to get it done.
Oh yeah. Captain of your own ship, baby.
Rated for high winds.
You got the keys? Sprung a leak. Gotta go back. So the boom lift was leaking, which is a big bummer because Justin had to drive 2 hours away to just get it one way. So it was a 4-hour drive. Leaking, not working. It's a Saturday. Nobody's picking up the phone, so he pulled out all of his handy dandy climbing ropes to just get onto the roof. So we really want to get this roof freaking finished. Justin can't do this by himself, so I have to help him, and when I have to help him, our poor son has literally just been like cooped up in the trailer watching cartoons all day, which he loves, but is obviously not the reason we came out here and not very good for him. So trying to bust this thing out now. So we got the last of the sheathing on this morning finally, which was awesome because we rented a boom a couple days ago and Justin drove all the way there, which was like 2 hours away, all the way back. The next morning it started leaking hydraulic fluids, so he returned it today, and we've come up with alternate ways to get everything else on the roof. So we got the last of the sheathing done, and now we are doing the membrane, which is awesome because we need to get it watertight for the rain that is coming in a couple days. So now, instead of using the boom, we're just gonna use the extension ladders. Pretty awesome. So they do this thing, the manufacturer like tapes the roll to the very end. And unfortunately we just lost a foot of this stuff because it came up. So, boo. So the box for the chimney, it's not long enough. So it goes to the top of the roof now, but it's not going to go all the way through the membrane and the foam and the metal. So I'm going to make an extension with some of the flashing that we put around the bottom of the foundation. And we're just going to make it work. How's the view from up there? So you know how you watch YouTube videos and people are all like, please subscribe, like this video. And it's kind of annoying. Whenever I first started getting on the YouTube platform and watching videos, it was kind of annoying, but after a while I realized that if you're watching videos of somebody you like and you like their videos and you like what they have going on and you want to support them, then the least you can do is liking the video and subscribing. The reason I think this is so incredibly important is because years and years ago, when we were just formulating this dream of moving to a dream property, we were watching videos of people doing the same thing. Because people had supported them in subscribing and liking their videos and their channels had grown, we had found them and they inspired us to do the same. We would really love to be the inspiration for you or whoever else wants to live this dream. And if you are a dreamer like we are and you believe in going after those big dreams, please subscribe and like this video. It actually really does help us get the word out and connect with like-minded people like you. So hopefully that's not too annoying and we appreciate your time so much.